Hey, so about dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Something came up. I was thinking maybe we could push it back a little?
Okay. How much later?
Maybe an hour? Would that work?
Yeah, I think that's fine. No big deal.
Cool, thanks. I really appreciate that.
Of course, things happen.
I could also take a rain check if that's easier.
Yeah, that works too. We could do another day.
I kind of prefer tonight if it's still possible.
Sure, let's see if the restaurant can adjust.
I called them and they said, yeah, it's okay.
Perfect. That's easy then.
I just asked if there was any flexibility and they were fine with it.
That's usually how it goes.
I like that. It's soft, doesn't feel awkward.
Yeah, soft rescheduling keeps it simple.
And if something else comes up, we can always take a rain check.
Right, totally normal. Nobody minds.
I like that flexibility. Feels calm, not rigid.
That's the American way. Polite, easy, low-key.
Exactly. Makes handling last-minute stuff so much smoother.
And keeps everyone relaxed.
All right, I'll text everyone a quick update.
Perfect. That's all we need.
Everything's sorted.
Yeah, easy night.
Thanks again for understanding.
Of course, no problem at all.
All right, I'll see everyone tonight.
Yeah, see ya.
And if anyone asks, we can just say it got pushed back an hour.
Right, keeps it simple. Everyone knows.
I like that clarity without over-explaining.
Soft, polite, but clear.
Exactly. And I can relax too. No one's confused.
Yeah, that's the point.
And it's nice that they allowed flexibility. Restaurants usually do if you just ask.
Right, it's a polite way of handling it. Everyone wins.
And if for some reason tonight doesn't work, we can always take a rain check.
Exactly. Soft fallback. Totally normal.
I like that approach. Calm, low energy, but everyone's happy.
And it's natural, nothing forced.
Exactly. I really like that about American casual plans.
Soft rescheduling, polite language, easy flow.
Yeah, and tonight still feels like tonight, just an hour later. Everything else the same.
Right, and that makes it easy to keep plans intact.
So I'll confirm one last time, text the group, everyone's aware.
Perfect. That's all we need.
And then we can just relax, not worry about miscommunication.
Yeah, soft, calm, simple.
Exactly. That's the vibe I like. All right, so everyone knows about the time change now.
Yeah, I think so. I texted a few people already.
Cool. I just wanted to make sure nobody shows up early or waits too long.
Yeah, that would be messy.
Exactly. And I didn't want anyone confused, especially if they came straight from work.
Right. It's easier if we give a heads up.
So tonight still feels like tonight, just pushed back an hour.
Yeah, that works. No big deal.
I like that about how Americans handle plans. There's always a way to adjust, softly, without awkwardness.
Yeah, asking politely or offering a rain check keeps it smooth.
Exactly. It shows consideration, but doesn't overcomplicate things.
Right, and everyone's aware. Nothing's missed.
I was worried a little, but this is fine. Everyone can adapt.
Yeah, people are usually okay with a small change, especially an hour.
And if someone really can't make it, rain check works perfectly.
Exactly. Soft fallback. Totally normal.
I like that. Calm, low pressure, friendly.
And it doesn't feel forced. No one's upset. Everyone's flexible.
So I'll just text everyone a final confirmation.
Perfect. Makes it official.
And then we can relax, not worry about mix-ups.
Right. Soft rescheduling. That's the American way.
Exactly. Polite, easy, low-key, makes life simple.
Yeah, and it shows respect for everyone's time.
I like that approach. Makes handling last-minute stuff stress-free.
Right. Nobody feels pressured and plans can still work.
And it's kind of reassuring to know there's always some flexibility.
Exactly. Softly adjusting keeps everyone comfortable.
Makes it easier to suggest changes, too, without worrying about offending anyone.
Right. That's the whole point. Polite, easy, everyone wins.
And tonight still feels like tonight, just shifted a bit. The restaurant's okay, everything stays the same.
Yeah, easy solution, low stress. We can go with that.
And if anything else comes up, we can just take a rain check. Totally normal.
Exactly. Soft backup. Keeps it calm.
I like that kind of approach. Makes social plans comfortable.
Yeah, and people understand it automatically. No confusion. Soft adjustment, polite phrasing.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, tonight we just go, hour later, and everyone's happy.
Right. And if anything else changes, rain check again. Simple.
Mm-hmm. It's low pressure, but everything works out.
Exactly. Soft rescheduling. Polite, American style.
That's really what I like most. Easy, calm, respectful.
Yeah, and everyone can adjust without stress.
Mm-hmm. So I'll finalize the text. Everyone knows we're good to go.
Perfect. That's it. All sorted.
Thanks again for going along with it.
Of course, anytime.
Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Yeah, see ya.
All right, so everything's set, the time's shifted, and everyone's aware.
Yeah, easy solution. No stress.
I like how simple it is. Soft changes, polite phrasing, keeps it calm.
Right. And if anything else comes up, we can always adjust. No pressure.
Exactly, and that's the thing. Makes plans feel flexible without awkwardness.
Soft rescheduling. Everyone wins. Easy night ahead.
I like that approach. Simple, calm, respectful. It really works.
Yeah, and people understand it automatically. No confusion. Soft, low-key, American style.
All right, so I'll finalize the text. Everyone knows we're good to go.
Perfect. That's it. All sorted.
Thanks again for going along with it.
Of course, anytime.
Okay, so that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Yeah, see ya.